Hey, Gary here. I just want to talk to you about this concept of tripling your commissions. Of course, this is about how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm talking about this right here. Discover how you can use my affiliate toolkit to increase conversions and triple your affiliate sales this year. Copy the framework I use for my most successful affiliate funnels. Now that headline comes from J.K. Dowdle, the creator of this product. I did a full review. I'll leave that card up here in the corner for RIMS Volume 4. That's what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about making the investment inside of this training, which right now for the next 3 days until August 8th, you can get this for $17. And why is this so important? This is important because this concept of leads to loot, just like I said on the thumbnail for this video, is this idea of building an email list and doing affiliate marketing the right way. And that means investing in yourself, investing the time and in this quality training that I'm recommending, because there's a link in the description to pick up this training, like I said, for $17. And I want to focus in on what you get for $17. Of course, you get all the training, and I'm going to show you that here in a second and talk a little bit about exactly what that is. And as you can see in the training area right here, I focused in on the advertorial workbook and everything that goes on inside of these two videos. You can see that again in the full review. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to the page to pick this up. There's also the full review on that page. Also, a link in the cards. Like I said earlier, you can check out the full review. But the idea here is when you pick up RIMS Volume 4, again, link in the description, what you're going to get here is in section 4 is lead magnet workbook. In this lead magnet workbook, and this is really where you get to that point where I said, like on the thumbnail, turning leads into loot, and really where you can go and optimize and start tripling your conversions is on the pre-sale. And the idea of creating a high quality lead magnet. And you can see here the formula, problem, promise, presentation is the framework that is recommended by JK to put it all together, and that drives your prospects wild with desire. This idea of giving them something that helps solve their problem once they get on your list, and then following up with them after you have established that you can help them through this lead magnet that you're going to be able to create with these 3 P's, the problem, the promise, and the presentation. Again, check out these videos. Over 20 minutes, 6 minutes, almost 23 minutes of videos that explain to you exactly how to create this lead magnet that is going to build that relationship and establish that relationship with your audience as soon as they get on your list. And you're going to take that training inside the lead magnet workbook, and you're going to use the information in section 3, the squeeze page workbook, to put that all together to make sure that when they land on the squeeze page, they're ready to opt in. Boom, they get that lead magnet that you crafted using those 3 P's. And that is where it starts with the idea of tripling your affiliate commissions by investing the time in yourself to learn and understand exactly what your audience wants, and then give them exactly what they need with that lead magnet. Of course, you take all the ideas that you get from the training, and then you bundle that with the bonuses that you see here. Bonus number 1, the $9,000 affiliate launch chat case study. That's 2 case studies that equaled $9,000 for JK. He's going to break that down for you. Bonus number 2 is the automated sales funnel, where he's going to show you how he was able to get $6,000 a month in membership fees while he was sleeping. Of course, the concept here is you put it all together after you go through the training. Then that's the actual idea of passive profit, where you actually make money when you're not actually working because it's all set up and it's automated. Bonus number 3, the 59 swipe ready headline templates. Bonus number 4, which is how to get traffic. He's going to show you this by using Microsoft ads or Bing ads. And then bonus number 5, which really is where you can really get down to the idea of tripling your affiliate commissions by investing your time, because JK is going to invest his time into you by giving you a 30-minute one-on-one strategy session. This is worth hundreds of dollars, which brings me to the bonus that I'm going to offer. When you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you over to the page you see right here. Of course, like I said, the video here is the full review that I did on RIMS Volume 4, which stands for Really Helpful Internet Marketing Stuff. And as you can see on the page also, there's a countdown timer counting down to when this special discount price ends. So go ahead, click on that Get It Now button. It'll take you back over to the sales page. You can pick this up for $17. But here is additional bonuses that I'm going to offer you because JK does use ClickFunnels in his demonstrations. What I've done is I've taken some Groove Funnels templates over at groove.cm and I've taken those and given those to you, and all you have to do is simply click a link. It's going to import those templates into Groove, and you can actually use those inside of Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. I also created a checklist for you to make sure you keep track of exactly where you are inside the training. And also, just like JK, I'm going to invest my time after you invest your time and money by giving you a 30-minute strategy call. So you're going to have 1 full hour, 30 minutes with JK, 30 minutes with me to talk strategy about how to go about increasing your affiliate commissions. After you've gone through this training, again, here's all of JK's bonuses. Scroll down here, and again, there will be a timer, and you can see that you have 3 days left. Click on the green button to get this now. Link in the description. Pick up all the bonuses. Understand that JK is investing his time in you, as well as I'm investing my time in you to make sure that you have everything you need to either get started with affiliate marketing or to make sure that you are on the way to increasing your affiliate commissions. So again, link in the description. Click on that, pop over to the bonus page, pick up RIMS Volume 4, head down the road of tripling your affiliate commissions with all the training inside, as well as the 1 full hour of strategy sessions one-on-one with both JK and myself. Link in the description, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.